Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video, we will learn the use of design tab in MS Word. So let's get started. For that purpose, first of all, I need some random data. So let me click on rand. Let's see, I need 14 paragraphs. So this give me a 14th paragraph random data. At the upper menu, you see the third tab is design key. So I'll click on design key. The first thing we will learn is about the use of watermark. I'll click on the watermark button. You will see there are different options available. If you make your document confidential, you need to click on that confidential. You will see your document is watermarked by confidential. Or there are other options available. If you want it as horizontal shape, you will click on that, so you can see it is watermark horizontally. If you want to add like do not copy, so it will be watermark as do not copy, or either you need it as horizontally, so it will appear like horizontally. If you want to custom watermark, you need to select on custom watermark. This little window will appear. You will check this button text watermark. You will select English language if you want to write in English. If you want to write anything in any other language, you can select from that. Let me check if we have Urdu language. Yes, there is Urdu Pakistani. If you want to write something in Urdu, let's say this is written Asal, I'll click on apply. So you can see it is watermarked as that. If I uncheck this button, semi-transparent, it will be little darker. Let's see, like that. If you want to change its color, you can select on color, or you can select between any colors. Let's say I'll like this red color. I will apply that. So it will be watermark in Urdu language. If I check on semi-transparent, it will be little, it will have light color. So I'll go back to my English language, English United States. Let's say I want my own text. I will write my company name, Cecil Consulting. You want to change font, you can change from this list. You can select Calibri or any other color. I need it diagonally, so my company's name Cecil Consulting will mark like that. So if I uncheck semi-transparent, it will appear like that. So if I want to change color into gray, I'll click on apply and it will appear like that. Again, I'll check on semi-transparent, I'll apply again, so it will be like that. So the next option is, if you don't need any watermark, you will click on no watermark, apply, so it will be removed. The other option is, if you want picture watermark, you will select picture. Either you can select from your computer, or you can browse from your files. You can take it from OneDrive, or you can take it from Bing or image search. So let's say I'll check from my computer. I'll click on that. Let's say I'll insert my company's logo. I will click on apply. So you can see it is watermarked like that. So again, if I want to remove I'll click on remove watermark, so it will be removed. So these were all options about the watermark. If you need more watermarks, you can select from office.com website, or you can select from here. Let me give you a few more examples about the picture watermark. I'll select on picture mark. I'll go to the Bing search. Let's say I'll select from these roses. If these are downloaded, let me check. Okay, it's not downloading. So let me check if any of the picture is downloading. uh, Let me check this one. Apply. So you can see the flower picture is watermark like that. So I'll again remove watermark. So the next option is the page color. If you want to change the page color, you need to click on page color. You will see from these options, you can select any of the color from here. Let's say I can select this yellow color. So my entire page will be changed into yellow color. The next option is page border. The first point is, if you check on the borders, here you can see in settings, if you don't want any border, you can select on none. And if you want any border, you need to select on box. From the style menu, this is the template it is showing you. I'll apply to a whole paragraph. You can select between the lines. Either you can select straight line, dotted lines, darker dotted lines, or from these designs. Let's say I'll click on that color. I'll select automatic, or again, if you need any color, you can select from here. I'll click on OK. So because my cursor was here, so it gives me a paragraph like that. So I'll move my cursor over here. Let me give you another example from these dotted lines. I'll border, box, these dotted lines, color, maybe this time I can select blue, apply to paragraph, OK, and you can see it appears in blue dotted lines. So the next paragraph, let's say I need it in shadow type. Maybe I can select these lines. I'll apply shadow effect, and I can select between these lines. Maybe I can select this one. I'll apply to paragraph. OK. So this shadow effect will appear. So you can change your all different paragraphs by selecting from page borders, or you can change color from here. The next option is from the whole page border. If you want none, I'll click on none first, apply to whole document, so this page border will disappear. Again, if you want none from these paragraphs, I'll click on that, I'll click on none, so this will disappear. So let me deselect all, none, it will disappear. I'll move my cursor here. Again, I'll select border, none, and this will disappear. So the next option is the page border, the shadow effect. If you need entire page, you can select from these designs. or if you want to apply on this section, first page only, or all pages except first page. So I'll click on whole document. You can see all my page border is changed like that. Or if I want any other design, let's see, it will change like that. So let me tell you one interesting thing. You will select one page border. At the bottom side you can see this art button. You will click on the art button. You can scroll down. There are different designs available. So let me select this one. I will apply to whole document. Okay, so you can see my entire page is changed into these berry style pictures. So again we will practice one more. So this time maybe I'll select this tree, apply to whole document. So my all page border is changed into this tree style. So one more example from art. Maybe I like these colors. Again whole document, page border. Okay, and my all page is changed like that. So let me watermark my page to my company's name, which is Cecil Consulting. I'll change maybe this blue color, diagonal, apply. So this entire document is changed. So this is the use of watermark, page border and page border. So now let me tell you the last option, which is shading. So if I need to fill any of the border, let me check this one. So the first paragraph is changed into red color. Now I'll move my cursor to the next paragraph. I'll again go to the page border. I'll click on shading. I will change this color. Maybe this time I like green color. Apply to whole paragraph. So my whole paragraph will be changed into green color. Again I can practice one or more, two different paragraphs. Again maybe this time I need blue color. So this whole paragraph is changed into blue color. So this was the last option, fill. Again maybe I need this orange color. Apply to whole paragraph. So this way you can design your page. So this is all about the page borders, page color and watermark. So let me go back to my original document. I'll change this to no color and page border I will select none. So it will be changed. Page border I need none. So my whole page is changed. I'll remove this watermark as well. So I'll remove watermark. So now what is the use of paragraph spacing? So let's say I click on here. I click on paragraph spacing. You can set by default if you don't need no paragraph spacing. So you can see all the document is changed into no paragraph spacing. I'll click again on compact. You can see it is changed into compact style. If you need a little tighter, so you can see all the paragraph is changed. Again if I need open, so I can see a little open space between paragraphs. If I need little bit relaxed, so you can see more space now is available between the lines. And double, if I need double line, I'll click on double. So all the lines are in double shape. So I'll move back to the default. Now what is the use of these fonts and colors? For that purpose, I need to go back to my home key. Let's say this is my document. For that, I need to give this to a title, introduction. I will increase it font size, and let's see, here I can write literature review. Again, I'll increase its font size, and this one, let's say I need research methodology. I'll click on that. Okay, for introduction, let's say I'll, I'll add this to heading 1. Literature review, I'll give heading 2, and the research methodology, I'll give this to heading 3. Now I'll go back to my design menu. So from the themes, I can select number of designs available. See, it's changing into blue color, the green, the dark green, the blue color, and whatever design you can select. Let's say this one. So we'll see all is changed into orange color. So if I select from these colors, let me see, I like this red or red violet. So you can see at the top there are different colors available or different designs available. You can select from here, you can select from here, or this design, or maybe you need this design. So it will appear like that. So this is the use of themes and the colors. You can select whatever colors you like. Let's say I need green color, so you can see all the headings will change into green color. So you can toggle between colors. Let's say I need these colors, so these types and design will appear. So here the fonts, if you want to use Calibri, you will select on this. If you want Arial, you can see all the text is changing into different fonts, Canva, or if you can scroll down, you can see different fonts are available. So these are Arial Blacks, this one, Times New Roman. So this is the use of the design tab. I hope you like it. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends and family, and leave your comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.